What if your next phone not only charged faster but came with a design upgrade that screams bold and futuristic? Let's dive into the latest leaks that are turning heads before Samsung even says a word. Dbrand steals the spotlight with Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories. Pre-orders for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories are live courtesy of dbrand, and they're not holding back. With bold design tweaks showcased through their exclusive cases, dbrand is setting the stage even before Samsung has officially announced the Galaxy S25 Ultra's launch details. From the new Ghost, Grip, and Prism cases to an impressive range of custom skins, dbrand is teasing some exciting possibilities. The Grip and Prism cases aren't limited to the Ultra. Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus owners can get in on the action too. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's case design is particularly intriguing, featuring cutouts for larger camera rings and a dedicated slot for the LED flashlight. To enhance usability, the side frame includes slightly raised keys for a more natural button feel when using the volume rockers and power keys. But here's where things get even better. dbrand's cases enable MagSafe charging functionality thanks to a special design integration. Subtle tweaks like slightly rounded corners give the Galaxy S25 Ultra a fresh edge compared to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. For the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, the Ghost and Prism cases are accompanied by a lineup of sleek back panel skins. Interestingly, early leaks hint at thicker camera rings on the Galaxy S25, resembling the iconic design of the Z Fold 6, while the overall form factor aligns closely with this year's Galaxy S24 series. Is Q2 wireless charging coming to the Galaxy S25? Samsung might be bringing a game-changer to the Galaxy S25 series with potential support for the Q2 wireless charging standard, but there's a twist. Q2 introduces the Magnetic Power Profile MPP, a feature designed to align phones perfectly with chargers for faster and more efficient power delivery. The Galaxy S25 is rumored to support 15-watt wireless charging via Q2. However, it's unclear if the device will include magnetic alignment functionality out of the box. Instead, Samsung could offer an optional magnet case to bring this feature to life. If true, this strategic move could boost Samsung's adoption of Q2. With magnetic alignment, charging becomes not only faster, but also more reliable, something users of the Galaxy S25 lineup might soon experience firsthand. Excited for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series? Well, here's some big news that's going to make you even more eager for its release. Samsung has just made a huge decision regarding the processors in the Galaxy S25 lineup, and it's all about performance. A few days ago, it was confirmed that Samsung will announce the Galaxy S25 series on January 22. As the launch event approaches, a new report has emerged that Galaxy fans will be thrilled to hear. All models in the Galaxy S25 lineup, Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra, will exclusively use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This decision might come as a surprise to some, considering that earlier rumors suggested the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus would feature Samsung's Exynos 2500 chip, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra was expected to use a Snapdragon chip. It appears that Samsung has shifted its plans due to issues with the yield rate of the Exynos 2500 chip, leading the company to opt for Snapdragon chips across the entire S25 lineup. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, announced just a few weeks ago, brings a host of improvements to the Galaxy S25 series. Not only does it offer enhanced CPU and GPU performance, but it also introduces custom technologies designed to elevate the overall gaming experience. For instance, the Galaxy S25 series could support game frame interpolation using Qualcomm's Adreno Frame Motion Engine AFME 2.0 technology, allowing games capped at 60 Hz refresh rates or 60 frames per second to run at a smooth 120 Hz high refresh rate or 120 frames per second. The phones may also leverage Qualcomm's Snapdragon Game Super Resolution feature, which upscales the game's resolution without straining the system. These enhancements are part of Samsung's Game Assist feature, which improves game resolution and frame rate while reducing heat. This move marks a significant shift for Samsung, which had initially planned to use the Exynos 2500 processor in the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus, but has now opted for the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip in all three models. It reflects Samsung's emphasis on delivering the best possible performance and gaming features to its Galaxy S25 users. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most ambitious flagship yet, poised to redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. With significant upgrades in design, performance, and camera technology, the S25 Ultra is ready to make waves. Let's dive into the rumored specifications that have been buzzing in the tech world. Design. Samsung is swapping the traditional aluminum frame for a titanium build, enhancing durability and premium feel. Paired with Corning Gorilla Armor glass on both front and back, the S25 Ultra also retains its IP68 water and dust resistance. Display. Prepare for an immersive experience with a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. With Quad HD Plus resolution, 3120x1440, a pixel density of 505 ppi, and an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, this display is set to deliver unmatched clarity and smoothness. Performance. At the heart of the S25 Ultra lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Built on a 3nm process, it promises next-level performance with a Qualcomm Oryon CPU, Hexagon NPU, and an Adreno GPU. Combined with a Snapdragon X80 modem, expect blazing fast connectivity and edge-driven efficiency. Memory and storage options. 12 gigs of RAM / 256 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 512 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 1 TB storage. Cameras. The S25 Ultra is gunning for the title of the Camera King. Main camera. 200 megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture, OIS, and adaptive pixel technology. Ultra-wide 50 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Telephoto. 10 megapixel, 3x optical zoom, OIS. 50 megapixel, 5x optical zoom, 10x optical quality zoom with adaptive pixel sensor, up to 100x digital zoom. Front camera, 12 megapixel, f2.2 aperture, 80-degree field of view. Video recording, 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. Battery and charging. The Ultra will pack a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt wired charging, ensuring all-day power and quick recharges. Software. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the S25 Ultra will receive an unprecedented 7 generations of OS and security updates, future-proofing your investment. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 7. Bluetooth 5.3, USB 3.2, Type-C, dual SIM/eSIM support, 5G with mmWave and sub-6 GHz support. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.